Welcome back. Ground will be broken next month for the long-awaited renovation work to upgrade the 63-year-old National Stadium, with the actual work to get underway next year, according to Sports Minister Olivia Grange. As Denise Walters reports, the latest update comes approximately 10 months after the government had announced that funding had been arranged through a partnership with the British government.
The last time major repair work was carried out on the National Stadium, aka the Office, was in 2002 to accommodate the World Junior Athletics Championships. It's now set for another major upgrade, with the Minister of Sport, Olivia Grange, having first made the announcement in the House of Parliament in June 2024. Now, a year later, Minister Grange provided an update on the renovation plans, which will be done by Ryder Architecture and CAA Icon, the team that won the bid to carry out the work.
The stadium will be, and I may repeat some of the things that Jonathan said, will be 90% covered. We will have tiered parking, because I know parking and the traffic control has always been a big problem. Upgraded seating, modern anti-doping facilities, modern media facilities, the sports museum, improved lighting, and enhanced spectator amenities.
Jonathan Sibaka is the principal at Ryder Architecture.
We're looking to proceed with the next stage in September. That's when things will get really, really exciting, I hope, and we hope to break ground next year with cranes in the sky, so to speak, to see this come to life. In summary, we've crafted the brief with Desmond and the team. The building is currently 65,000 square metres. It's a sizable piece of development. One of the key things here is to make this a truly world-class international venue, and as such, everything that we're designing is fully compliant with all of the sporting regs around the world that you would expect, including FIFA and World Athletics. We're fully compliant with the Green Guide, which goes into detail around safety, security, visitor experience, all things that we know need to be improved on the current stadium.
Minister Grange also spoke to the significance of the upgrade of Jamaica as a premier sporting venue.
Jamaica needs to meet international standards if we want to continue to host international and regional events and have our events sanctioned by the international governing bodies.
General Manager of the Independence Park Limited, Major Desmond Brown, says the upgrade will, amongst other things, provide monetary benefits.
I believe that if you provide improved quality seating and facilities, people pay more, right? So we don't think that they're going to decrease.
When the renovations are completed, the National Stadium will also cater to the disabled community.
Under the disability requirements in the Green Code, they will have put in things that they can access everywhere. There's also a requirement that the stadium must be able to evacuate in 12 minutes. So we're going to design exit ramps so that we can have proper evacuation.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.